The spot felt right, high enough to be visible from a distance, solid enough to hold the flag securely. Carefully, Zhang knelt and tested the ground with his gloved hand. The soil here was compact, offering the stability he needed. Here's a story featuring an astronaut holding a Chinese flag. The astronaut, Commander Zhang Yu, stood on the edge of a vast, rocky plateau on the moon, the Chinese flag in his gloved hand. It was his first mission to the lunar surface, a culmination of decades of training, sacrifice, and dreams. The sun cast sharp, unyielding shadows across the grey landscape, illuminating the flag's deep red fabric and golden stars. It was a symbol of his nation's vision and progress, and today, he had been entrusted with the honor of planting it on the moon. He adjusted his grip on the flagpole, glancing at the Earth hanging in the dark sky above him. It was both humbling and surreal to see the planet so small and vulnerable, floating in the vastness of space. Below it, the moon stretched out like an endless, silent desert. "Mission Control," Zhang said through his helmet comm. "I'm searching for the right location. The soil here looks loose, but there's a ridge ahead that might work." "Understood, Commander Zhang," replied the steady voice from Beijing. "Take your time. This is history in the making." With slow, deliberate steps, Zhang made his way toward the ridge. Each movement sent up tiny clouds of dust that hung in the low gravity before settling again. His boots left clear impressions in the fine regolith, marking a path toward the future. As he reached the ridge, Zhang paused. Before him was a sweeping view of the lunar horizon, with craters carved into the surface like scars of ancient impacts. Satisfied, he unfolded the flag, its brilliant colors vivid against the muted grays and blacks of the moon. He attached the flag to the pole and then drove it into the ground with steady force, making sure it stood tall and firm. Stepping back, he admired his work. The flag seemed to glow under the unfiltered sunlight, a bold reminder of the ambition that had carried him and his team across the void. "Mission Control," Zhang said.